There's been a long journey process with the Z. A lot of you may not know this, but I've been building Z's my entire life. And it's time for that to change, and I kind of want everyone to know, what I do for a living. And I'm going to showcase Datsun pretty soon to this new owner. But they call me Mr. Z, and I'm going to let the cameraman take over and show my work masterpiece.
Peace to all y'all, it's your boy Big Draws.
What it do, it's your boy Skirp doing dirt. Don't Skirp, and welcome to episode 16. We're on 16 now, aren't we?
Yeah, 16. And this episode is going to be a great episode because every episode is a great episode, and it's going to be two friends, one from Florida, one from Texas, talking music with a dab and everything else. Let's get it, Skirp. Tell me how your week has been, man. What's going on with you?
I haven't talked to you all week, pretty much. Like, we're usually on the Xbox, but I've been working. So I've been telling you guys about my Target journey, and Skirp got a promotion. They bought me they gave me a couple rounds of money.
Extremely nervous. It's like going on my first date, first prom. Almost stuttering my voice right now. Whew. But yeah, I'm excited. All the hard work to see the reactions, it's gonna be well worth it. They're all waiting inside. I'm gonna give them the green light to come out.
Three, I want you over to yell, I'm ready, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Hey! Oh, he heard us.
Oh my gosh.
What song?
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Holy smokes.
I said there was always one more surprise, so I got something to show you.
Okay. Sorry the garage thing's a little bit.
No, you're good.
Prom going on.
I got
Wow.
that meat for you.
Oh,
Nice,
dude. Sweet. Oh, that's so cool.
Hope you like this.
I do love it, dude. Custom.
Look.
It says Perry
Can
on
you
there,
see
22AZ.
what it says on the side?
On the door panel.
Can you see what it says? It says Perry 2AZ on it.
Yeah. She rides good, man.
Gosh, it's hitting on all cylinders now.
You can actually drive it now.
We'll
I think,
see, Dad. I don't know. No.
Anything I need to know, man?
No, just
push the clutch in and a little bit of the gas.